Hey everybody, it's Jennifer and the lovely Irene here, and today we are going to taste test foods that have the ghost pepper in it. It took me forever to think about that. So we have some candies and chocolate and nuts and cheese balls. So we'll start with the ghost pepper super hot candy balls, which look like this, like red hots. And we're gonna find out if they're really hot or maybe not.
I don't know. I don't think they're gonna be too hot.
That's what I'm thinking. Maybe they might have
like
cinnamon.
one of those.
What is it, red hot?
Yeah, I'm thinking like that. Or cinnamon.
Well, we're gonna find out in a minute.
Did you open it or no?
I just screwed that one up. Irene! Just in case things get too hot, we have a special mug filled with water.
We're gonna need scissors.
Scissors time.
Hold on.
Okay. Found some not scissors. Is that for gardening?
No, it's for me.
Okay. We might get poisoned at the end.
Hold on. Go get scissors.
Oh wait. There we go. It smells a little spicy.
Smells like red hot.
Whew, it's going up my nose. See that cute little...
It's gonna be like a warhead.
Yeah, we'll find out. It went up my nose. Oh my god.
Well, like what kind of candy is this? Like a jelly or something?
No, it's like a hard candy.
Okay.
product contains the BHUT Jolokia and the Trinidad Moraga scorpion, which may cause skin and eye irritation. Please wash hands after eating.
Alright.
That is hot.
Not yet, anyway.
It's burning my tongue.
I can feel it getting hotter now.
I regret this video. Oh yeah, it's gonna taste like cinnamon.
It doesn't taste like cinnamon. It's not burning. It just tastes like if you were to inhale a lot of like pepper, like black pepper, you know, like when you like and like you want to cough, it feels like that, like in the back of my throat, and like yeah, it feels like that, like a lot of black pepper, like I inhaled it and like I want to choke. It's not necessarily like spicy. It's just like weird.
It's doable, but I just felt it on the tip of my tongue. I'm like, this is gonna hurt more.
I just it's not spreading. It's staying in the middle of like
where I
kept it, and it's not getting hotter. It just feels weird. Like it doesn't. It's not burning. It just feels like
tingly.
Hot. Like tingly, yeah. And I'm like, okay. But like when I breathe in, it just feels like I inhaled a lot of black pepper.
So if you want a delightful novelty for your friends, get one of these. And I guess it's by Think Geek. They actually have a lot of neat stuff there, but I actually got it on Amazon.
Well, I guess like if we actually ate it, but we just like put it in our mouth and like.
Yeah.
But
just let it sit there for a second.
I don't really like it.
I don't like it either. And it went up my nose, so I just want to sneeze so bad right now. Ooh. Would you like the peanuts or would you like the cheese balls?
Let's try the peanut. I feel like the peanut's gonna be hot.
The bomb. Ghost pepper nuts. And let's see.
I feel like because we already have the candy,
yeah,
and like we're gonna try everything else, it's just gonna get hot.
Yeah. It doesn't indicate. It just says Naga Jolokia, which is the same stuff in there. So let's find out. Yeah, my nose is on fire. My ears on fire.
I don't want to breathe it in.
So there, you breathe it in. Here we go.
That's hot. Someone like has that like the Cajun peanut. Have you read it? That mixed with the candy ball. Now I feel like my mouth.
The candy ball set the tone for it, I think.
Yeah. Now I'm like, now it's getting hot.
It's another delightful the bomb. It's spicy.
That I feel, that one I'm like,
But you said the water's gonna make it spread.
It will. I'm probably gonna get milk.
It's bearable, but it's not like it's burning and I'm gonna die.
I like it.
It's good. It actually has flavor, unlike the candy where it just felt like
I didn't feel it. I like.
Irene likes it. Irene approved. Yeah, now my eyes are gonna start crying. I feel it. It's weird because it slowly goes, it settles in your tongue and then just slowly like travels down your throat. It's a beautiful feeling. And then I'm starting to get sweaty now because it's so hot. Okay, we're back. We just had to take an intermission. Irene got us milk. That makes a difference. Oh my god. But I'm lactose intolerant, so I just took a little sip.
Oh, I love milk.
Okay, resuming. That's so much better. Oh my god. Look, Louie. I don't think it's safe for him to try these. He's gonna have thunder diarrhea. Okay, so next is the Ghost Foods cheese balls, and you could just smell it. You could probably smell it. So, made with the same stuff. I could smell it just from here. Oh my god.
I thought it was gonna be good. This is a cheese ball. It tastes like plastic.
I could kind of taste the cheese.
It's like plastic.
Oh, stale probably.
Mmm. There you go. It's stale. Aw. I was excited. I was like, I like the peanuts. I'm gonna like the cheese balls.
They're not that hot though. It's
They're
made
not.
with it. It's like sprinkled in there. See, look. It's just like a little, just a little bitty. Okay though. This is actually tolerable.
I wish they weren't stale.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Want more, Irene?
I do. Now I want cheese balls.
Milk addiction. Okay. Last but not least is Sweet Heat chocolates, and it says it only hurts for a bit. And again, I also got this off of Amazon. And honestly, I don't remember how much I spent on these. I was just looking on Amazon thinking, ooh, how fun! Ghost pepper snacks! So here we go. And when I got this, the day I got this, it was like 100 degrees out and it came with an ice pack. Oh, hey, they're intact. Nice. I was worried they would look like melted duty, but they don't. Look how pretty that is.
So is this supposed to be like the most intense one?
I have no idea. I figured the last one is the... Alright, so it says, warning, eat at your own risk. Ingredients has the allergens, keep away from children. So if chocolate has a warning on it, and to keep away from children.
Yeah. Break it in half. Or just bite it in the other half.
So there's what it looks like.
And same with the ghost candy pepper and the cheese balls. They have to be put away or the kitchen's down.
Yeah, we'll put it away. Alright, so I'm gonna take a bite and then want me
The
just
other half.
and then you eat the other half. It's hard. You bite it. I'm scared of my teeth falling out.
Okay, I was like trying.
Okay.
Like,
It's like a rock.
you guys might not think I wasn't trying. Like, you could see my like my teeth marks. Like, I was trying to bite that in half.
Can I bite it now?
Right on the side.
I'm scared. I'm really scared to break my teeth.
It's not.
I'll do it.
It tastes like dark chocolate, but then it hits you. That is like, that's hot.
I can't.
Why they have the warning? Bite down!
No.
Bite down hard. It feels hard, but it's just like dark chocolate. Like once you bite it, it crumbles. Bite down.
I feel it. Oh my god. It's exactly what Irene said. It's like, oh, dark chocolate, la la la, and all of a sudden,
It goes away really quick.
it doesn't last. It's not as
But
long.
you didn't really bite it. You need to bite down.
I don't want to break my teeth.
It's not gonna break anything. It crumbles as soon as you like break it in half. Your teeth are stronger than you think. What side is the one that you got the new tooth on?
That one.
Yeah, you need this side. Bite. You have to bite hard. It's like biting a carrot.
Most of my teeth is made out of crowns. I have like 4 of them.
Just bite down. It's like a carrot.
Yay, the food I avoid. Oh man, I feel that way. I hate it.
What's the difference between taking a bite and sticking the whole thing in your mouth? Like how you're gonna
It
eat
can
it.
melt.
No, you said that. It wasn't bad. Like it was hot for like a second.
Okay, now we're breaking it out.
That sucks. Cheese balls are really stay off. Like they almost like have no flavor. Aw. I want Cheetos puffs.
There, I ate it all.
Hot?
It has like a bite at the end. See, now I'm starting to feel, now that I swallowed it, I'm like, but it's not that hot.
Like a dragon.
Now
Put a
that-
fistful of the peanuts in your mouth.
No.
Not a fistful, but like put like 3.
Heat overload. Heat overload time.
I think the peanuts are like the ones with the most flavor. Those ones get hot. They're good. I can see myself eating this. I feel like the ghost pepper super candy ball, whatever.
Had the most crap on it. Made it more.
Yeah, it was just
To
like
burn
coated
more.
in like powder.
As if you could see.
It wasn't hot. It just like gave you that tingling sensation. I feel like the one that actually has like spice and like for me that gets like hot are the peanuts. The other one just felt like a lot of pepper and this one I feel because like I can chew it and I'm like okay, like it spreads around my mouth and it's like when it gets a little bit under your tongue where I'm like that's hot. I like the carrot, the chocolate. I wish there was
So in conclusion, probably the hottest or most uncomfortable was pasta versus curry. They're really good. They're nice hot. And then this is like it's like burning my forehead. And then the lovely chocolates.
They were good.
They're actually good. I'm just paranoid as hell breaking my teeth somehow.
It was like, it would have been really good dark chocolate. Like with the little kick afterwards.
And it's just like, it's not like when it's that hot, it's just
Yeah, like the tingling. There's someone that eats like a mouthful of peanuts. That would be fine.
I know. So overall good treats. If you like to these are actually pretty the lightest ones, so if you really want to just try it out.
Hopefully they're not
Yeah.
sticky.
I got them all on Amazon, so I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed us watching Hot Foods. It's still spicy hot in my mouth. I would drink the milk, but it's really, I'm very lactose intolerant, so Irene's gonna have to deal with death if I drink it out. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.